Friends, before I share you Prometric pattern for Oman, today I am going to share you that Prometric exam pattern for lab technologist vacancy for Qatar. So there are different patterns, means how the type of questions will come, that will be different from different subjects as compared to Oman Prometric exam. And there are different number of questions also, because in, if you remember my last video in for Oman Prometric exam pattern, in that there was 70 questions, but in Qatar Prometric exam there will be 100 questions. And if I will show you the subjects, first we will see safety, quality control and ethics. From this category there will be total number of 8 questions. And from bacteriology there will be 15 questions. From virology there will be 5 questions. From mycology there will be 5 questions. So they divided microbiology into full categories like bacteriology, virology, mycology, parasitology, immunology. So there will be more questions from microbiology department. From immunology also there will be 5 questions. From parasitology there will be 5 questions. From hematology there will be 14 questions. And from blood banking there will be 10 questions. So total 24 questions, 14 from hematology and 10 from blood banking. Then from biochemistry there will be 17 questions. And hormones there will be 5 questions. And urine analysis there will be 4 questions. And from genetics there will be 7 questions. If you remember in Oman Prometric there will be no genetics, but for Qatar Prometric exam and their specialty is lab technologist, there is genetics also. And safety, quality control and ethics, there are 8 questions. So if you will focus on these categories, if you are going to do exam for Qatar, you have to study very thoroughly microbiology, hematology, biochemistry to get a good score, because major questions coming from these 3 subjects, and from genetics and safety ethics only, remaining 15 questions. So try to study your all topics thoroughly. As I told before also, that read thoroughly all subjects, and if you want to skip one chapter, but don't skip topics from each chapter, because you don't know which topic will be in questions will come in exam. And once again, in this Prometric exam also there will be multiple choice questions, and there will be no negative marking. So try to answer all questions, because as there will be no negative marking, so if you don't know but you by chance you will choose the answer, hope it will be right, so you can get a good score. So try to answer all questions, and please try to study all topics, and then to do preparation for exam. And try to focus on theory also and practical questions also to get a good score. And there are different, as I told before in my last video also, there are different websites in Google, and there are a lot of videos in YouTube that are keeping MCQ, so you can watch all that videos and all that websites to do a good preparation and study your all topics. and best of luck for all of those who are going to appear in exam in future. And I request you, anyone who will appear or who already appeared in exam, kindly share your experience in comments, so that if anyone who is interested, they can get idea of all the criteria, what type of questions will come, and if anyone is remembering their question also, please do share in comment box, so that everyone will get benefit. And I hope now anyone who is interested to do exam, they will get idea that what type of questions will come and how many questions will come from which subject. So do proper preparation, go with confidence, and best of luck to all those who are going to appear in their exams. Thank you so much. I will share you new criteria, or if any other country exam pattern, if I note down, I will share you soon. And thank you so much. Thank you for your support.